potential energy because at the beginning all the energy is stored. This is increasing speed because when it goes down the ramp, the marble is going faster. This is our first example of simple machine, which is an inclined plane because the foam is at an angle. This is friction because the rope rubs against the little wooden pole. Our second simple machine is the pulley, with one cup being weighed down by the other to push up and hit something.
This is increasing potential energy because the cup is going up. Our third simple machine is the first class lever because it uses the fulcrum, the gold pin in between, and the applied force and the marble. This is a change in velocity because there is a change in speed and then the marble starts going in another direction. This is decreasing speed because the tube that goes straight makes the ball go a little slower. This is momentum because the ball hits 3 other balls and the energy traveled through the first ball to the last. This is the greatest kinetic energy because it is at the end of the whole thing. Popping the balloon is the greatest force because the heavy marble had to fall and push the balloons onto the pins.
Yes. This is against the little wooden sticks.
The robots again.
Simple machine, which is
Machine! I go.
Peel, get out! Leave!
You were too slow. What's done?
I'm gonna quit.
Energy is stored. This is increasing. Shut up. You want me to do